Hello, good morning. Daddy, say good morning. This a better view from here. Hello, good morning. Daddy, say good morning. MJ, good morning. Okay, so today, it's very early today. It's just 7:05 a.m. and we're going to walk to Odori because today is our tour. He actually availed the tour in Kluk. So, yung pupuntahan namin today, medyo malalayo. Furano, Bie, and ayun, I think maraming mga tourist spots doon. Mostly farms and nature. Ayan. So, sama ulit kayo sa amin today para makita nyo yung mga gandang sceneries here in Hokkaido. And you'll get an idea where to go next time. Okay. Yan. Naglakad kami from the hotel. Tatanaw na namin si Sapporo TV Tower. Kasi that means andyan na kami. Malapit na kami sa Odori Park. Ay, ang sarap maglakad dito. Sarap maglakad pag ganitong oras. Ang lamig. Ang lamig pa. Actually, umiinit lang pala dito mga gantong July ay yung
around 2. 1 to 2 ano.
1 p.m.
1 to 4 yun. Pinaiinit na.
Yun yung mainit. Pagdating na, ano na, malamig na. Sarap na ng weather. Kaya, sabi ko nga, kung gusto nyo ma-experience, ayun na, walk na yun, diba?
Yeah.
Both, later na, magka-cross kami ng road. Okay? Tatawid ba tayo? Okay, so hindi pala. Where am I? Okay, so as what I'm saying, tinry lang namin mag-summer. Actually, usually hindi rin namin gustong gusto yung summer. Kasi obvious naman sa Philippines, 365 days a year ay summer. So, ano pa ipupuntahan namin ng summer. Pero tinry namin itong Odori. Ayan, teka. Ayan, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo. Stargazer. Nakatanim lang siya, oh. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Paganda ka pa more. Kapit na tayo talaga sa Odori. Ang call time pala ay 7:50. Pick up time. So, we're kind of early. It's just 7:25, but okay yun kasi ayoko nang minamadali ako maglakad. Gusto ko chillax na lakad. KKKs. Anong KKKs? Kapuso, kapatid, kapamilya. Ayan. Pwede rin kaibigan. Ayan na yung Sapporo TV Tower. Diba? Ang laki-laki niya. Yung morning view. Paggabi, maraming ilaw yan. Parang, well, lahat naman ng prefecture sa Japan may towers eh. Oh, MJ is so nice to show me another, beautiful, stargazer. Ang ganda niya, mga KKKs, di bale. Later, pupunta pa kami sa mas maraming flowers. Ito, nag-bloom na siya lahat, oh. Ayan, oh. Diba? Diba, gimbal? Sumunod ka sa akin, gimbal, ha? Si gimbal talaga, oh. Nyo, kung gaano kalapit kami. As in, sobrang lapit na namin. Papanig kami dyan. Meron kaming ticket na nakuha sa Klook. Pero siguro, tomorrow, pa kami pupunta dyan. And MJ got tired again. She's not used to walking. Pero mga kakay-case yung yung bus, nakikita nyo. Sana yan Para may nakita ko nakapila na dun
The blue pond, and then the blue pond have the very special, like the blue color. Okay, that's very popular. Okay, too many people take the photo, upload to social media. Yeah, and then the second one more, we'll go to the half garden, because the half garden is the lavender garden. So.
Wake up late, the sun still shines. Left your keys, that's just fine. Take a breath, no need to fear. Shake it off and smile right here. No stress, oh cheers. Let go your worries.
So, we just arrived. And not much time. Actually, we are only going to be here until 11:50. Right? And we're still waiting for
So Brian,
the
our
ticket.
tourist guide, is actually getting the tickets now.
Oh, okay. So, the tickets cannot be purchased in advance.
Yeah.
Okay. At the ticket.
Okay.
So, now we're going inside.
Do you want ice cream? No.
No, I think You really think we can get ice cream? If we're going, is that a free ride? Okay.
Kailangan na lang bumili ng ticket.
Saan? Doon, no? That ticket. Are we going? Nandito kami ngayon sa
Shikisai no Oka.
Shikisai no Oka. Pero hindi pa ito yung pinakamagandang main farm, diba? Not yet.
But
But
one of the main farms to. Yeah.
Later-
Mamaya yung farm to Mita.
Oo.
Pero ito, one din to. 4 seasons Hill of the 4 seasons to.
so you'll see lavender, you'll see sunflowers. So we'll see what else we can see from here. But this is going to be good for 50 minutes daw. Then we need to be back dun sa bus ng 11:50. And it's already past 11. Mga 11:12 na. Okay? So, tour tayo dito. Tayo nagpicture kayo na. Harap at likod pala yun.
Oh, look, Mom, behind you.
Oh, that's the...
Oh, that's pretty.
Really? That's it? We're supposed to go down now. Taas yung araw. Pero actually, ang ganda sana. Yun nga lang, pressured ka talaga sa oras. Katulad na tong cart na to, bababa ka nila pero for 3 minutes lang. Wow! That's a lavender. It's a lavender. You can take a shot there. Ano yung naamoy mo? Parang may naamoy akong amoy insekto. That's the smell of the lavender? Mint. Okay, eto, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda sana. Actually, hindi nakaka-capture yan mabuti ng camera for sure. I really like this white, pink, purple, and red na colors ng flowers na nakalinya. So, paikot lang din naman talaga siya. Maganda. Ito ang ganda. Look at that. This one, oh. Nice. Yellow. Please do not enter the flower fields. Yeah, you can only admire and look at it. Are they selling these flowers? Full bloom na. Ha? Nagpa-stop siya. Oo nga. Malapit lang naman. Malapit lang naman yung bus eh. Okay, ilang minutes daw? That's a very nice view. Flower farm. Ito yung ride. And Daddy's buying ice cream. You can take some photo. Salvia pala ang tawag dyan. It's not even called lavender. Ayan o, salvia. Lavender. Okay, and this is the alpaca farm daw. So, we get to see the alpaca farm. I don't know if we still have enough time. Ice cream. Lavender.
Okay, just send me the lavender.
About the Buddha, Hila Buddha. Hey, Mama, baba. Hey, Mama, baba. Hey. Ikot tayo, ikot, ikot, ikot. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
There's butterflies.
Mm.
And bees.
Ayun, MJ. Want to try?
It's good.
Okay naman. Kabila ng gamot. Hindi naman.
Kasi mix yung kinuha natin eh, para ano.
Pero siguro kung puro lavender lasang gamot, no?
Huh?
Nice.
We have 15 minutes left. Yun lang talaga pag tour. Talagang mabilisan. Pati ngayon si tractor si Kuya, iniwan niya yung ibang mga kasama namin eh.
Buti nakasakay sila.
Oo.
Hindi ko kasakay ka naman sumakay.
Kahit saan,
Tama.
nagbayad ka naman eh. Papa, picture lang kita dyan. Ay, nagpicture na pala kayo ni Mami. Sure. Just keep it there.
Daddy, we're going. So, una na kami doon. Ayun na yung blue pando. So, punta na kami doon. Come on, baby. Find a good spot here. Oh. That's the blue pand. See that? It's really is color blue. No, from here. Nice. Starting to eat the ice cream because it's melting already. But we're gonna find a better spot. So crowded in there. Anyways, we still have time, right? Ay, sayang. Cookie ko. Kainin ko naman yung ice cream ko. Gross. Nice. This is a better view from here. Blue Pand. That actually ito lang talaga 'yun. 30 minutes. So, we still have plenty of time. Siguro 5 minutes lang going back to the bus. Ayan. Nice.
There. I am. That was not funny.
So, this is good for 25 minutes. Ginam pa konti yung time. But I think malapit lang kasi to. Sabi niya. And maliit lang daw yung poles. So we just need to look at yung poles. So we'll see. Ang init lang. So sunny. Actually hindi mainit na nakakapawis. Sobrang sunny. Ang bilis. So ilang minutes lang siya na walk. Ako mabagal maglakad, so 5 minutes. Ito na yung bridge. And I think this is it. Mount Tokachi Volcano, Sabo. So this is a volcano. I have fear of heights. But if I can.
Okay, the waterfall is here. And then the one conference is the purpose about.
Hey, Daddy. Ang bilis nila, oh. Hey, Mama. Ang bilis niyo, ah. Ang ganda ng mountain to. Nalulula ako. So, ayan yung, ano, Shirogane waterfall. Volcano daw yung galing.
It's about the big ice cream.
Yeah.
But I didn't.
So, we can set the tripod.
I don't really want to sit.
Okay. First to get out, first to get in. Oh, let's have a picture. Daisetsuza National Park. Asan yung National Park? Huh? That one? I know. Picture tayong dalawa? Okay. Ayan. 1 hour lunch daw here sa Herb Garden. Actually, yun lang din yung gagawin dito. Bakit ganito to?
I feel like I'm in school again.
Really?
Yeah, 1 hour lunch and you wait for your food. You don't wait for it though. You
Okay,
stand
kain tayo. Ano yung order namin? I ordered for cold udon, cold soba. Daddy ordered for... Ala. Yung in-order niya is beef gyudon. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo. Daddy ordered gyudon. And may kasama na siyang miso soup and some pickles. In order si MJ. Wala
down
naman,
there.
Daddy. Yan. Meron yan. Yan. So, salt ramen. Thank you, Dad. And all the rest. Actually, it's free. May na. Yeah. Itadaikimasu. Picture. Itadaikimasu. Itadaikimasu. Nagugas ako ng kamay sa baba.
Good. Kasi ito, tumita. Tapos na yun. Pwede tayo mag-ano. Pwede tayo mag-melon.
Ay,
I
hindi
had
ka.
melon. Melon pan.
Yes, melon pie.
Paano ito kainin?
You put it in there.
Ba't parang iba yan? Hindi soy sauce. Dashi lang.
Oh, I tear it. It's so easy to tear this one.
Meron tayo
Wash your hands.
Main ka na, may orasan na dito.
Yeah, I know. It's like eating. It's like I'm in school again. Our lunch is also an hour.
It sounds good naman.
You want this?
Mas bagay ko kay mama.
Kaya ba to?
Ano yung ano? Ano yun?
Wait, okay.
Nagpatagal na sa unahan ng pila kanina. Ang tagal nila. No? Mga ka-KKKs, naawa ko sa kanya. Parang nakatingin siya sa akin. Sabi niya, "Look what happened to me. But I'm not the one who put you there. Sorry." It's so cute. Shop. So, Kuya would love this for sure.
瞓覺啊！如果瞓得唔好咧，滴唔好多喎，一兩滴喺枕頭邊，係啦，跟住你聞到咧，分分就。
Oh, ganda. Ito yung gusto kong kunin. Lavender. Ayan, I'll get that. So, it says 16,600. But there's one piece only. This is a set. Here, they have many different products. Hi, simasen. This one, can I buy only one piece? Alright, arigato. Yeah, sure.
Coupon and the passport.
Do you also accept credit card here?
Credit card?
Yes?
Yeah, credit card is okay. Buy your coupon and the passport, you can get a pass free.
Okay, I got coupon and that. Okay, thank you. Alright, and many other things you can get from here. So, they have lavender cream, which is quite expensive, and the lavender fragrance peeling gel. Wow. Lavender mist spray. Sige, ayan. So, malaki yung shop. Actually, puro lavender products. And meron ding mga snacks. But mostly from products made from the lavenders. Okay, alright. Alright, that. Kawaii. Okay. naiwan si MJ at saka si daddy niya dun sa taas. Kasi matagal si MJ kumain. So, hindi ako makakabili. Hinintay ko sila. And I'll probably look for some good magnets to bring home. Hokkaido. I'll get one. Parang eto maganda. Yung Hokkaido na yan. And there's a cute bear as well. Mga teddy bears. Melon bears. Kawaii. Oh, there's cat. I want to bring that home. Yeah, cute. Then the other, there's that Hokkaido. Maybe this is cute too. Yeah. Wala pa akong katulad nito. Wala pa tayong katulad nito. Oh, this one is nice too. Sige, harap na tayo doon. Ito pa maganda, kaya lang mahal din eh. 6372. Ba't ang walang maliliit para to try? Ang lalaki ng packs. Diba? Ayan o, 6,372. Papatingin ko sana kay kuya. Kaya lang, too big. Paano kung hindi niya magustuhan?
Yeah.
That one is a cute, ito, Hokkaido lavender. Hoy, baka kala nila kinuha mo yan dito. Joke lang. Okay? So, yun yung nakita ko na, but likely, wala. Masyado. Ito, cute to. Owl. MJ.
And then Shikisai no Oo.
Saan? Ito. Hindi ko naman na-picture ng ganyang kaganda. Ganda. Purple. Hokkaido bath powder. Okay. All good? Yeah, nakatulog daw si daddy sa bus. Balik. Antokin eh. Balik na kami dun sa bus. Though we have plenty of time, but there's nothing much to do here. Sana yung oras na nandito nilagay dun sa isa, no?
Oo,
Kaya magagawa. Okay. This is the farm. Tomita farm. The other side naman daw, melon farm. So, I think ito yung mga flowers nila pagka summer. Yan everywhere. The entire farm. Okay, let's go there. So much lavenders. And then you can just sit and relax and enjoy the view. Lahat yan lavender. Or celia. Now I'm worried about my ganda, puro lavender. Ang buong farm, puro lavender. And this is the Kanya-kanyang shot dyan. So, variety of colors. Ayun yung buong lavender.
Ito na siguro yun. Up the hill. Baka dito na yun. Baka
Full bloom nga. Pero, full din ng tao.
Ba't look at the view? Maganda
Yeah.
na ano.
Okay. Picturean kita dito.
Dito?
I think this is a good spot to take a photo. Ayan. So, pag mula dito sa top, kitang-kita yung lahat ng yung buong farm. And that's a lavender field. Kaya lang, ang dami nga rin talagang tao. So, ayan. So, manang photo off. Ano kaya tong plants na to? Beo, may mga bunga. Yeah. Ah, that's the hill. What are you? Aha, that's so hard to get there. Let's see what's up. Maybe dito yung daan, de. Ah, okay. Sige, nandun tayo sa taas. Wow. Smells so lavender. Everywhere lavender. Right? Tatalikod ako. Laki ng farm. Lavender farm. So much. So huge.
So huge lavender. So many bees as well.
Yeah. These are everywhere as well. Ayan. Hello! Good morning! Pasensya na hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi pagkatapos ng tour. Nakabalik kami mga 7 PM na dito sa Sapporo. Sobrang traffic kasi maraming accidents kaming nadaanan dahil mountainous nga siya. Na-realize namin, initially nagpa-plan kami na mag-drive si RC dito. Mag-rent kami ng sasakyan pero na-realize namin na buti na lang naisip namin na i-check muna yung daan dahil parang ang hirap, sobrang daming uphill and sobrang curve na curve yung mga daan. Okay? So, ano ba yung ginawa natin kahapon? Recap lang. So, nag-pick up kami ng 7:50 sa Odori Park. So, dumaan pa ng Sapporo to pick up the others. Though, Sapporo kami, we chose yung pick up sa Odori kasi gusto namin sa unahan ng bus nakaupo dahil mahihiluhin ako. Yun. So, okay naman. Nakaupo naman kami ni MJ sa harapan. And then, yung first stop namin, nag-quick CR break lang. 15 minutes dun sa dinaanan. Hindi ko alam kung saan yon. But basically, yung pinakaunang stop namin is yung Shikisai no Oka. Though, dun sa tour, makikita nyo na merong nakalagay na patchwork road. Makikita nyo naman yung mga valleys, small mountains na may mga tanim. So, hindi ka naman mag-stop, dadaanan lang. Sasabihin lang ng tour guide, ito yon, take a picture or video, etc. and all. So, yung Shikisai no Oka, yun yung Four Season Hills, or Hills of Seasonal Colors. Maganda yung mga flowers doon, actually. So, pagdating namin, may mga laking parang, anong tawag doon? Man-made na, I forgot para siyang mga ano ng palay or damo. Tapos ginawa siyang parang mascot na malaki. Yan. So, scarecrow. Hindi naman scarecrow.
Hay yun, hay. Parang hay.
Parang hay. O, yan. So, but anyways, yun yung pinipicturean doon na una. And then, after nun, nagpunta rin kami sa 50 minutes lang doon. And then, we went to Shirogane Blue Pond. Okay, or famous sa atin tawagin Blue Pond. Ayan. So, yung maganda dong gawin is bumili muna kayo ng ice cream. Sinasabi naman ng tour guide, and then, punta kayo sa Blue Pond. And just like what we expected as well, dahil nga part yun ng mga tours, marami ring tao. So, 30 minutes lang yung binigay sa amin doon to take photos and enjoy the view. Na-enjoy ba namin? Siguro, 5 minutes of that time na-enjoy. Siyempre, picture-picture, medyo struggle, nagsiset up para makapag-group photo man lang kami. And then, medyo careful lang din kasi walang harang eh. Yung mga, yung pinakadaan. So, malay mo, mahulog ka doon, di ba, kaka-picture. Ayun, after nun, nagpunta rin kami sa Shirahige Waterfalls. Ayan. So, yun yung pinaka-source ng water na nagpupunta dun sa Blue Pond. Bakit siya blue? Chemicals daw yun galing sa volcano. So, maliit lang naman yung falls. Hindi siya kalakihan katulad ng mga nakita namin sa Nico. Pero, okay, mesmerizing as well. Diba? Nandun siya sa parang bridge. Medyo umaalog yung bridge. Yun lang. Kung may hiluhin ka, katulad ko. Medyo, at saka kung takot ka sa heights. Like me as well. Medyo hindi yun okay. Pero, okay naman. Na-overcome ko. Maganda siya actually. And then, nag-lunch kami sa Herb Garden sa Furano. Yun. So, nagustuhan ba namin, syempre gutom na gutom ka kasi hindi naman kami nagbaon masyado, hindi rin kami nag-breakfast ng maayos. So, in-expect namin, kahit pa paano mag-enjoy kami sa lunch. Hindi masyado okay yung lunch doon. Pero 1 hour yung stop namin doon kasi meron din silang souvenir shop. Nakabili naman ako nung ginamit ko na nga bawal ata. hindi ko pa naman siya inopen, tinignan ko lang. Ito yun. So, pure lavender oil. Ang mahal niya ha. Pero sabi nakaka-improve daw yan ng sleeping. In 5 minutes tulog ka na agad. Okay? So, yan lang. Hindi okay. Sana yung maganda siguro doon dapat sa Tomita Farm lang din yung lunch para dire-diretso na para 2 hours na doon, 'di ba? You have more time. The thing is tingin namin may limit lang din yung oras ng mga tour magstay sa isang place or else magiging super overcrowded lalo yung lugar. Okay? And then yun nga after ng lunch doon sa Herb Garden sa Furano, we went to our last stop which is yung Farm Tomita. Ayan. So, eto, sobrang daming tao. Maganda sana yung lugar. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. Almost full bloom na siya. Kaya lang, hindi mo na ma-enjoy kasi sobrang daming tao. I swear. So, yun. So, na-appreciate ko lang yung mga napuntahan namin na lugar dati sa, ano ba yun? Yung Rose Garden sa Hakone. Yun talagang kami lang. Yung mga gano'n na pre-relax yung utak ko. Doon hindi marirelax yung utak nyo. Kung relaxation ang hanap nyo, huwag kayo mag-tour. Kung gusto nyo lang ma-check yung bucket list nyo, mag-tour kayo. Yun. So, siguro kung babalik kami doon, mas babalikan ko yung Shikisai no Oka. Maganda siya actually. Kung you have enough time to enjoy the sceneries. Ayun. So, anyways, overall, siguro, out of 10, I will rate that tour, still 8. Si Brian, okay yung tour guide kasi pinababayaan niya lang kasi alam niya limited yung time, mag-picture-picture. Tapos sa pagpabalik na lang namin or before kami bumaba ng bus, siya kanya sinasabi, nag-share siya ng mga little facts about the places. At least, hindi na nako-consume yung oras for him to explain ano yung nakikita namin. At simple lang naman din yung mga makikita dun sa lugar. Ayun. So, that's all for our trip yesterday. And I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Although, pasensya na at hindi mga maayos yung video nakuha ko din. Kasi nga, sobrang sunny. Masakit sa mata yung sikat ng araw. Especially during the afternoon. Okay? So, thank you so much again, mga kakikikis, for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you sa next vlog. Bye-bye!